Morning, I am NJ here. Welcome to English Chinese speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, viewers, listeners, Assalamu alaikum, marhaba, सवाल खैर, तजहाव, प्रिवित, धन्यवाद की आयानु. My students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to view English and Chinese speaking together. Guys, girls, बताओ, dear students, आज हम अंग्रेजी और चाइनीज़ बोलचाल को इकट्ठे मिला के देखते हैं और उर्दू में इनका तर्जुमा भी जानने की कोशिश करते हैं. ये जुमले आमतौर पे बहुत दोनों ज़ुबानों में जनरली बोले जाते हैं और इनका शुमार बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. इसमें क्वेश्चंस भी हैं और आंसर्स भी हैं. These sentences are a type of questions and answering. Questioning and answering type of statements we are going to view today. Let's start our lesson behind on the whiteboard and see how Chinese and English go together. Let's start, begin our lesson. The first statement you see that, what's that? What's that? This is English. What's that? What's that? वो क्या है? वो क्या है? That mean वो, what mean क्या, is mean है. What's that? What's that? वो क्या है? What's that? वो क्या है? And in Chinese you say ni shi shamma, na shi shamma, na shi shamma. This is na shi shamma, na shi shamma. वो क्या है? Na mean that, shamma mean what, क्या, she mean है. In Chinese, na mean वो, that, na mean that, वो, she mean है, is, shama mean what, shama means what, she means is, na mean that. So in Chinese, na shi shama, वो क्या है? What's that? वो क्या है? What's that? वो क्या है? And in Chinese, ना शी शम्मा, वो क्या है? ना शी शम्मा, वो क्या है? Let's see its possible answers. This is the question. I'll see its answers. How answers are. You see that? That's a theater. वो एक थिएटर है. उर्दू वो एक थिएटर है. That's a theater. In English, that's a theater. वो एक थिएटर है. That's a theater. वो एक थिएटर है. And in Chinese, ना शी ईगो, ना mean वो, that, she mean is, है, e mean एक, go mean theater. Ego एक theater. Ego means एक theater. ना शी ईगो. That's a theater. ना शी ईगो. वो एक theater है. That's a theater. English and Chinese, ना शी ईगो. वो एक theater है. In Urdu, वो एक theater है. And Chinese, ना शी ईगो. That's a theater. ना शी ईगो. वो एक theater है. ना शी ईगो. And English, that's a theater. And in Chinese, they say ना शी ईगो. वो एक theater है. Let's see the next statement, next sentence. You see my students, that's a cook. वो एक बावर्ची है. That's a cook. वो एक बावर्ची है. That's a cook. वो एक बावर्ची है. And in Chinese, ना शी ई चूशी. वो एक बावर्ची है. In Urdu, वो एक बावर्ची है. ना शी ई चूशी. ना mean that, वो, she mean is, है, e mean एक, चूशी means cook, बावर्ची. Chushi means cook, bawarchi. Chushi means cook, bawarchi. And in English, that's a cook, that's a cook, that's a cook. In Chinese, na shi yi chu shi, na shi yi chu shi, na shi yi chu shi. वो एक बावर्ची है. In Urdu, वो एक बावर्ची है, वो एक बावर्ची है. That's a cook, that's a cook. Na shi yi chu shi, na shi yi chu shi. That's a cook, that's a cook. वो एक बावर्ची है. That's a cook, that's a cook. वो एक बावर्ची है. ना शी ई चू शी, 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 ना शी ई चू शी. वो एक बावर्ची है. ना शी ई चू शी, वो एक बावर्ची है. Let's see the next phrase. That's a deer, that's a deer, that's a deer. वो एक हिरन है. And in Chinese, ना शी ई चू लू, ना शी ई ची 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 लू. ना means that वो, she means है, he means एक, he means एक. चीलू, 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 चीलू means deer, चीलू means deer. वो एक हिरन है. नाशी चीलू, नाशी चीलू, वो एक हिरन है. नाशी चीलू, वो एक हिरन है. That's a deer, that's a deer. नाशी चीलू. A beautiful phrase again. That's a deer. In English, that's a deer. वो एक हिरन है. और in Chinese, they speak नाशी चीलू, नाशी चीलू, नाशी चीलू, नाशी चीलू. वो एक हिरन है. Deer means in Chinese चीलू. Chinese में deer को, हिरन को चीलू कहते हैं. नाशी चीलू, नाशी चीलू. That's a deer. Let's see the next statement. आइए अगला जुमला देखते हैं. Next one is that's a monument, that's a monument, that's a monument. वो एक यादगार है. That's a monument, that's a monument. वो एक यादगार है. And in Chinese they say नाशी Mao Wang, Nashi 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 Mao Wang. वो एक यादगार है. That's a monument, that's a monument, that's a monument. वो एक यादगार है. ना mean that, वो, she mean is है. Mao, Mao Wang, Mao Wang, Mao Wang, Mao Wang mean monument, यादगार. Mao Wang, monument, यादगार. Mao Wang means monument, यादगार. That's a monument, that's a monument. नाशी Mao Wang, नाशी Mao Wang. वो एक यादगार है. नाशी Mao Wang, वो एक यादगार है. That's a monument. In English, that's a monument, that's a monument. And in Chinese, Nashi Mao Wang, Nashi Mao Wang, Nashi Mao Wang, Nashi Mao Wang, Nashi Mao Wang. वो एक यादगार है. Let's move to the next sentence. अगला जुमला देखिए. That's a statue, that's a statue, that's a statue. वो एक मुजस्मा है. That's a statue. In English, that's a statue. And in Urdu, वो एक मुजस्मा है. That's the statue. And in Chinese they say नाशी xiao xiang, नाशी diao 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 xiang. ना means that, वो, she mean is है. diao xiang, diao xiang, diao xiang means statue, statue. Diao xiang means statue, mujasma. Nashi diao xiang, nashi diao xiang, nashi diao xiang, nashi diao xiang. That's a statue, that's a statue. In English, that's a statue. And in Urdu, वो एक मुजस्मा है. That's a statue. In Chinese, नाशी diao xiang, नाशी diao xiang, नाशी diao xiang. वो एक मुजस्मा है. ना means that, वो, she means is है. And diao xiang means statue. द्याओस्यान, स्टैचू को, मुजस्मे को चाइनीज ज़बान में द्याओस्यान कहते हैं। नाशी द्याओस्यान, नाशी द्याओस्यान, वो एक मुजस्मा है। Hey my students, these are very interesting phrases together in English and Chinese, and we have their translation in Urdu. Memorize all these common phrases and sentences. These are commonly spoken in Chinese language. I will see you again. I wish you all the best. Goodbye. Goodbye.